Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to recycle a tin can and make a DIY desk organizer. If you like this DIY, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, subscribe to see more videos like this. And now let's begin. I use a contact paper to cover the outside of a tin can. For the tassels I use a yarn. At first I tie a knot as a beginning point. Next wrap the yarn around the tin can and tie another knot at the point where the yarn crosses the first knot. And cut off excess. Cut several short, same-size pieces of yarn. Take 3 small pieces of yarn, fold them in half, hold the ends and place the created loop under the long piece of yarn. Pull the ends through the loop. And repeat. On the ends. Even out and cut the ends straight. All tassels are done, so now I place them around the can. I tie the ends of the yarn in a double knot. Glue all the tassels in place, and the knot I'm hiding under the tassel. I put just a tiny drop of the glue at the back of each tassel. And that's how it turned out. I think it's really cute, so I made a set of 3. And what do you think? Leave me a comment. If you you like this DIY, hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos like this. And I see you soon in my next video. Bye!